Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of the Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE1906. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can also email me. I have an email account on Gmail and my Gmail ID is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906 at the rate gmail.com, friends. Okay. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE1906 at the rate gmail.com, friends. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last topic, I have started this chapter called The Treasure House Within You. Okay. So this chapter I have started and I have did it on this chapter. I have made a video. And from this I am doing, this is the first topic of this chapter. And the name of this topic is The Master Secret of the Ages. So this is the name of the topic. The name of the topic is The Master Secret of Ages. And this is third number video. Okay. So, and friend, let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. What is your opinion is the master secret of the ages? So, here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that what is your opinion in the master secret of the ages? The secret of atomic energy. So, the Joseph Murphy is telling what is the secret of the atomic energy? Thermonuclear energy. So he's asking what is the secret of the thermonuclear energy? The neutron bomb. So here author Joseph Murphy is asking what is the secret of the neutron bomb? Interplanetary travel. So this is a very big thing. Interplanetary travel means traveling from one planet to another planet. So here Joseph Murphy is asking what is the secret of interplanetary travel? No, not any of this. So he's then telling no, not any of this. Then what is this master secret? Then he is again telling, then what is the master secret? The author Joseph Murphy is again asking us, where can one find it? So again he's telling, where can one find this secret? And how can it be contacted and brought into action? So this is a very important statement, friends. Okay, so here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that what is this secret and how this secret can be brought out in action. Okay. The answer is extraordinary simple. So here Joseph Murphy is telling that the answer is very extraordinary simple. This secret is the marvelous miracle working power found in your own subconscious mind. So here Joseph Murphy is telling that this extraordinary answer is very simple. The secret is the your own marvelous and miracle working and the power of your own subconscious mind. Okay. The last place that the most people would seek it. So it is the last place where more and more people will find it, but the truth is that it is your subconscious mind which have many miracles and which can do anything, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us. So friends, this topic came to an end, and in our today's topic I have covered the concept called the master secret of the ages. This topic, friends. Okay, and friends, in our next topic I am going to cover the concept called the marvelous power of your subconscious. This is the topic, the marvelous power of your subconscious. And friends, as I always tell, I always recommend you people to read this book because this is one of the very big asset of our society. And if you read this book, you're going to get a 360-degree dimension in your life. So you could able to see all the things in a very positive manner. So you could learn it in a very good way. So the name of this book is The Power of the Subconscious Mind. And friends, I always recommend everybody to read this book because you are going to get, your life is going to change and you're going to get tremendous knowledge about each and everything in life, friends. Okay, So friends, this video came to an end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay, and I will be meeting you in the next video.